back, and today we are going back to the drawing board a little bit with Monster, the RC Bouncer. Only because I'm not quite happy with the wheel speed that I'm getting out of it. I really want this thing to act like a true rock bouncer. You know, ripping up the trails, just all wheel speed and power. So last night I did some digging around on some of the forums, asked some questions with a bunch of people, and they said I need to get a 550 20 turn motor, and hopefully it's gonna act like how I want it to. If it doesn't get to the wheel speed that I want it to with just the motor, then next step is going to LiPo battery. So today, just kind of information kind of thing. It's supposed to be here by Sunday, which is just a few days away. So as soon as it comes in, we'll do some speed tests, some crawling tests before and after, and see what our results are. I do believe the reason why I have wheel speed problem is because, one, it is a metal cage. With it being a metal cage means it's heavy. It is extremely heavy. I'd have to say it's between 5 to 10 pounds right now overall. A couple of things that I have done to it is I've upgraded the shocks to aluminum body and dual rate springs to kind of help the stability on the rocks, kind of slow down the shocks a little bit. I have gone to the Axial Rock Lizard tires. I did trim out the foam to be a little bit softer ply, a little bit more pliable on the obstacles. That way it'll absorb the rock and be able to hop over a lot easier. It does right now have a Dynamite 20 turn brushed motor into it right now. I do have quite a bit of wheel speed with it, but not what I'm looking for at all. I want to be able to rip and throw some dirt, along with also having low speed control and the torque in the low speed as well as in high speed. If this 12 turn 550 motor does not get me what I want, then I guess it's time to go to LiPo. Make sure to watch for the follow-up video, the test and tune of the 12 turn motor. As soon as it comes in, like I said, it should be here Sunday, but expecting delays with everything going on with the mail from the holidays are still backed up. So as soon as it comes in, I'll get it installed. We'll do some before and after videos, post them, and see if I get the results that I'm looking for. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.